Welcome. In this video we will talk about how to use the CourseForge Online template. So what is it? Well, a CourseForge Online template is just that. It has a lot of sample text and examples that you can use as a guide to build your own class. Also, you'll find at the bottom of pages, you'll find information that you can reference and use. Within that information, you'll find what design standards, teaching standards, or LMS use policy standards can be met if you follow the template on that page. So to find out more about these different sets of standards, you can look under modules in the For Instructors Only. There is a section that's called Quality Matters, YC Essential Design Standards, and LMS Policy. So if we click on that, it gives a quick breakdown or explanation as to what all of these standards are, and there is a link to each of the design standards, teaching standards, and LMS use policy standards. And you can get a feel for what they are and how they work. When you click on these, you'll find that it'll take you to a page where you will probably have to log in, because these the essential design standards, for example, are based on QM essential design standards. And if you don't know what QM is, it's a nationally recognized organization, Quality Matters, and they provide standards by which instructors should build online or hybrid courses. They allowed us to adapt and adopt a lot of their essential design standards. So these standards are mentioned, and there are also explanations and examples to further break down what is being looked for with each of the standards. You'll find reference to those throughout the CourseForge Online. So feel free to check those out as you go through. And if we take a quick look at a random page, for example, if we go to Course Orientation, you'll see here we have sample text that you can use to get an idea for the type of text that is being sought after, and you can fashion your own text after the examples there. And then at the bottom of the page, if you follow the examples, you'll see what standards you can be meeting throughout this template. And all of the standards for the YC Essential Design Standards, the Essential Teaching Standards, and also the LMS Use Policy are addressed throughout this template structure. So be sure to go through all of it thoroughly, click on any links, read the information, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in TELS, and we'd love to help you out. If you'd like to get your own copy of this in your own class, you can go to Commons and search for CourseForge, and you can look for the online option. There are a lot of featured items for Yavapai College that might show up without you even having to search for it, but CourseForge Online is this current one that we're looking at. And so if you click on that, you could then select Import and Download, then select an empty canvas shell that you would like to put this template into, and then import into course. It's important that you import this content into an empty shell, because if you import it into a course that has content in it, it's going to put all these templated pages and content on top of your course content. So make sure you put it in an empty shell first. Okay, so that's how you can get it imported into your own course and work with it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and contact us in the TELS department. If you ever need to get in touch with us, you can find our information on yc.edu/TELS. And our phone number, 928-771-6120, email tels@yc.edu. Or if you want to stop by, we're in the office from 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, and we are on Prescott campus, Building 3107, Verde campus, M210. And that's it for this video. Thanks. Talk to you later.